Alright, let me show you how to fold your rain jacket into a little pocket here. This is also going to be the only way you can file fold your rain jackets and raincoats, obviously. This is day 3 of our folding rain clothes week. So again, I'm going to start by laying the jacket down with the front side facing up and zipper everything up. And then from there, we're going to turn it on its back. So once we have it on its back, I'm just going to straighten it up a little bit here. And we're going to fold the hood down first of everything. And make sure that it's laid out flat, like this. And then we're going to take the arms. Start with one arm, fold it over to the other side like this. And then we fold it down so we create that triangle that we've been doing here on rain jackets. Repeating on the other side as well. And down, like this. So for this particular pocket fold, we want to fold the arms inwards as much as possible. If you have a visor, that could be damaged if you press too much on it. Be a little bit careful, but ideally you fold it in all the way 1/3 the width of the jacket. So the other side should completely overlap the first side here, ideally. If you can't do it like because of the visor inside the hood, just go as far as you can. So it should be lining up nice and straight down the length of the jacket as well. From here we're going to split it into 4 parts this time. And we're going to fold down both the top and the bottom 1/4 the length of the jacket on one side and on the other. And if you don't have like a misshaped old used up rain jacket, it should look more like this. And from here we're going to lift up the top layer of the bottom of the rain jacket, and we're actually going to stuff the top inside. So how you do that is that you fold the top down over, just do one side at a time. Using a flat palm seems to help a lot with this process. Just flatten it out and stretch it all the way into all the corners there. And you can just kind of adjust it a little bit like this, make sure it's nice and even. And there we go, perfectly pocket folded rain jacket. Also, like I said, this is the only way you can pretty much file fold rain jackets because they're so slippery. Just gonna slip apart if you do it the regular way. So it goes perfectly with a file folding system like this one. Very lonely jacket in there. By the way, I'm working on this huge clothing space organizing workshop. It's not ready quite yet, but if you want to sign up and be notified once it's ready, you can go to organizing.tv/workshop. And I'll send you an email once it's ready. It's not going to be on YouTube, by the way, but it's entirely free. So yeah, that's day 3 of our folding week. I hope you liked this one. Got another really cool one coming up here tomorrow. That's also going to be able to kind of hold the rain jacket together. It's pretty cool, a little bit different. So yeah, tap here and I'll see you over there. Peace.